Oh, hello everyone. This is a live demo video of COM 1540 of Bukhu Team. Uh, let's begin with an overview of the system. The cornerstone of our system is a role-based access. This ensures that each user has a suitable access level and responsibility tailored to their role within the system. We have identified six distinct roles within our system. Let's begin with the first role. The first role we will discuss is the guest role, which offers limit feature. User in this role do not need to register an account and log in. They can simply access the system, view in and download in a contributions published to the magazine without the ability to edit. We can say in at the first day, I am not logged in into the system and I can see the contributions on of the magazines here and download it. Next is the student role, which is one of the primary roles within our system. Uh, when a user register their account, they will be assigned to the student role. Students have the ability to submit their contributions consisting of one or more files to the magazines. The next is the packaging marketing coordinator. The coordinator play a crucial role in the publication process. They are re- responsible for review, editing, and provide feedback on student contributions within their respective faculty. Additionally, they have the authorized to select articles for publications in the university magazine. Next, we have the university marketing manager role. The manager oversees the entire publication process and has access to all selected contributions. While they cannot edit submissions, they have a capability to download all users' contributions and receive files for backup purposes. Furthermore, managers have access to the statistics function present in a table and chart, providing valuable insight into the contributions within the system. Lastly, we have the administrator role. Administrator acts critical in configuring the system to ensure smooth operations behind the scenes. They have the authority to manage system settings, including setting semester day, configuring account, magazine, and faculty for the system. And I will go next with the register function. Here on the navbar we can see it has a register and login. I will choose a register and I will choose a email. I have prepared an email for a register. This is a password. When I click the register button, it will send an email confirmation to. Dạ mình cần quay video một chút. Lát mình sẽ xếp lại. Dạ. After I click the register button, it will send an email confirmation for me. Oh, okay. This is the email confirmation. I will click here and then I will log in with the email I have registered. Now I will continue with the submission process.
Okay, so for the so the submission process, guests without student accounts cannot create submissions. In the homepage here, you could see the list of magazine. We have sort the magazine by latest submission deadline. If you're a guest, when you click on an when you click on a magazine open for submission, you still you won't get the new article button here. However, if you are a student, let me log in first. However, if you are a student, if you click on a magazine that has submission open, you would see the new article button here. If you are a student but the magazine submission deadline has ended, like this one here, where the date today is the 23rd of April, 5 p.m. and 10 minutes. But here is the deadline was 5 p.m. and 7 minutes, so the deadline has ended. You won't get the new article button here. Now for the submission process, when you click on a new the new article button, be lead to a form where you can input the title of your article and choose the files for it. You can only upload files in the format of PDF, doc, docx, PNG, and JPEG. Basically, only document files or images. When you have when the user have done choosing their title and files, they will first have to check this box, the term of service box. So, if they don't check it, they will not be able to click the create button. Once a contribution is successfully created, they will be redirected to the page of the contribution they have just created. On new contribution, we have their status set at pending as default, and a student account can check all of the articles that they have created in this page right here, in the My Article button in the nav bar. Now the new article has just been created, so the status of it is still at pending, so it will not appear in the magazine. We still don't have the backup to here. One more thing, by design, our team don't want to lock a student in a particular faculty so that a student could see every magazine from all faculty and make contribution for all of them. Only coordinator's account will be logged into a faculty, and with a contribution, a student can not only a student but everyone can view their files and and they could either download them as a separate file. Like here, or they could download all files of a contribution as a zip. For demonstration, I will upload another file and download a zip for it. Here we can see it have two files, and when we upload files, the system will automatically rename them to avoid duplicate file names. Here we can download a whole article file as a zip to desktop, and when we go to desktop, I can extract here, and we will see the two files, the image and the document files.
From the previous, we have already submit one contribution to the magazine. Now we are at the coordinator view. Here we have the pitch magazine and the pending article. When the coordinator go to the pending article, we could see here is some contribution that waiting to be approved. And he stated if the coordinator want to approve or deny any contribution in here, they must to make some comment on it. Like here is a podcast today. We will click on the edit, make some comment like that. Okay. We could also upload a new file on not or delete the old file, but now I will just make some comment on it and save. I'll save and back to it, and now here on the venue article, it have the comment on it. Is the that okay, and now I can approve it, and it disappear from Twitter view. If I'm not make a comment on the contribution yet, it won't let me approve or deny any. So if we go back to the home view, here is active design for drama. We go to the read more, and here we already have the contribution back to test with the comment that's okay. That is for the coordinator role and for the the manager can only see the magazine that they are being assigned for. Here is the tip manager. He assigned for the faculty bits, so he can only see the faculty bits. But if we log out of the account, you will see all the magazine on the old faculty. Here is the graphic design or IT. Next to the admin, here we have the already one admin account, manager account, and in the manager account we have the separate view for the list of end date magazine. In here, if any magazine has the end date of the semester before today, it will appear in here. That means that magazine is already ended, and no one can mention on it, even the coordinator or the student. But because we don't have any magazine that ended now, so it's blank and don't have any data in it. But the special of the manager, they have the static view. In this static, they could see the report for the data on each faculty we have on the website. Here I will check for the IT. In the IT, we have the multiple semester for it, and with each semester, it will have the number of contributor, number of contribution, total approved contribution, the percentage of contribution and percentage of approved contribution. Here is the pie chart for the percentage of contribution in faculty and the percentage of approved contribution in faculty. If we make change in any of the marketing task using this semester, it will increase or decrease and make the change on this chart because this chart is synchronized with the database and using the database to calculate and make this chart. So we could see more like in the this here. It have the different chart like it don't like the faculty IT or at the AI. It have another chart. That's for the manager. The manager is have it don't have so much thing that they can do, but it's special in its way, and it can also download all the approved contribution on the magazine if they want, like the guest or any other user. And the last row is the admin. The admin is the one who controls all the elements of the website, like magazine, semester, faculty, or account. In the admin home view, we could click on here and access to the account management, semester management, faculty management, and magazine management. If we go to the account management, we have the list of users in here. Each email is row, the bulletin to assign the row on it, and the faculty name it have been assigned. So if I want to make this from student to coordinator, I click here, waiting for the refresh, and now the row have been updated to the coordinator, and I can assign some faculty on it, like I want to assign for graphic design. Now it's the faculty, now the graphic design. And in the faculty, we can edit the already have faculty or create a new faculty. But because I already have some faculties in here, so I won't make any other. But I could make some semester, like here is the semester management, and only if now I will create new semester. We could put some name on it, like summer 2024 for this. And here the start date and the end date. He will put the targets on it. If we hit create, it will So now I will create a new semester on here. I will make create some name for it, and here the start date. I will start at today is 20 April, and I will make the end date is the day before. And if I hit the create, it will have some error here, and that's much greater than the start date. If I change it to the 30, I hit create. Now it could make create the semester, but here is the active. This semester is not active yet. So what is active? If only the semester is active, it could use to make the magazine. But if it doesn't active, it cannot using that. We have the semester name is summer 2024 base. We will go to the magazine management. I will create a new semester, and here new magazine, and here we have the semester ID. Here we have summer 2024 IT, but don't have summer 2024 for this because it's not active yet. Now we will go back to the semester management and edit it. In the edit, I will click on here to make that active semester, and here we go. back to the magazine management. Create a new magazine. We'll take the name for the magazine like something like that. Apply AI for coding. This factory, and now we have the summer 2024 page, and we could create that. But here, the close to that cannot early than the current date because the current date might be it's because if we create the close to that with the current date when we hit create, so it will hit the deadline of the close to date, so nobody can make any move on it. So I will change it to the uh, like this. It will not create two because the time in here is more than the end date. The close to date is more than the end date of the semester. Yeah, I cannot collect because much within the select semester range. That's is from the start date to the end date. If I change to the approve and CD 27 and I hit create. Now everything is perfect and we have the apply AI for coding for IT. The close to date is here